we are a SaaS developer company. We provide a solution for artificial Internet of Things, which is to use the data for optimizing or predicting failures into factories. We have approximately 1,600 connected machines around the world, and some in Japan. We are working 100% for the industry. So the industry is large in the US, in Japan, in Germany, and it's not the largest in France. So we have to expand ourselves. And one of our challenge is to work on France, as we are a French startup, but we want to expand internationally, specifically in Japan. We've been to a first event physically in Paris, so the delegation came in Paris with one of the biggest tier 1 automotive industrial company in Japan. And we had, I think, 45 minutes, if I remember, for the first pitch. Very, very well-cadenced pitch in order to present our solution. The good is that we've been briefed before by Sinora in terms of who is coming, what are they looking for, so it's really qualified and we can go straight to the point in order to make our best effort to convince them about the technology. The little story is that it has been through the COVID period, so we've been doing the projects through large distance. However, it's going very well. That's the value of the digital. We can connect from everywhere and work from everywhere. So we've been connecting. We've been doing 2 divisions of that multi-brand group. With success, we are now in production with them. One of the industrial machinery that they're doing, and one of the automatic guided vehicles. And we are very proud to be successful doing that by distance on providing that new digital solution. French tech is French, or where they invent, but it's technology, and the business is worldwide. It's really an international business, and that's one of the most important and complex action to make, is to go outside his own country. I mean, you've got a local market that helps you to start with, and then you need to go outside. And Asia, mainly also with Japan, is a very important market for a lot of industry and a lot of startup in the French tech. Not only for us as industry, but there's plenty of domain. And the relationship, I guess, for the technology between France and Japan since many years is very good connection between French companies and the Japanese company on the work together on that. The complexity is how you can go outside, how you can go to export, and specifically in a far country like Japan, where everything is different. I mean, business way, culture, people, language, everything there. The first strong value for a company like us is the capacity to provide highly qualified contacts with a predefinition of what they're looking for and the understanding of what we provide. So it's a balance between the demand and the offer, which is always the most important key point to start with. So that well-balanced approach is really helping us and simplify the approach for us. And I think it's one of the key success factors for the speed of the contact, because they are not, I think, customers of Sinora is not having any waste of time meeting companies that are not fulfilling what they are looking for. And we know that we have qualified. If we match, we know there's something behind. And that value is a strong value at the time. And the second approach, I would say, is the quality of the understanding of the whole culture from both sides. So there's a way to really organize both sides to what is good and what is bad at which of the culture, that makes sure that you maximize the chance of having a good result also with that.